If you're looking top 5 best laptop waterproof bags for your laptop, this video is for you. New and popular 2018 top 5 laptop waterproof bags. Now go to see. Number 1 most popular by Kingston's 1517 laptop backpack, external USB charge computer backpacks, anti-theft waterproof. Watch this video and choose your favorite. Number 2 another great product by Burn. 12, 13, 14, 15, 15.6, 17, 17.3 inch waterproof computer, laptop, notebook, tablet bag, bags, case. Number 3 by Zipper, multi-pockets bag for MacBook Pro, 13, 15 case for Xiaomi Air, 13 waterproof laptop case for Lenovo, 14 bag for MacBook Air 13. Get your favorite laptop waterproof bags right now. Number 4 by Ralo. New laptop waterproof bags, sleeve notebook case for Lenovo MacBook Air 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15.6 inch cover, Retina Pro 13.3 zipper bag. Number 5 by Calidai, laptop backpack travel, 15.6 minus 17.3 inch waterproof anti-theft backpack, men multifunction day pack, USB 50. Now you can choose your favorite Bluetooth speaker and buy. Link available here in description. Thanks for watching this collection, and don't miss to subscribe our channel.